The first step you need to take in making money from Facebook is for you to have a page. Okay, that's the first step. You need to open a page. All right. So now, before you can open a page, you also need to have a normal Facebook profile. That's your normal Facebook profile. And I know a lot of you turn your normal Facebook profile to a page, which is also good, but in some cases is not too good. I will explain that. Now, if you are living in a country that is eligible, the Facebook page, that's your Facebook profile that you turn into page, will be good for you because you can easily monetize it. But if you are living in a country that is ineligible, take for example, if you are living in Nigeria and you turn your Facebook profile to a page, you might not be able to make money from that page for now because Nigeria is not eligible. And secondly, that your profile uh, page, your profile page, that the one you turn to page, you cannot have admin on that profile page. But if you open a normal Facebook page, you will be able to have admin. All right. So now, take for instance, you are in Nigeria and you have admin in a country that is eligible, you will be able to monetize your normal Facebook page. Okay. You can see that your normal Facebook page is different from your normal profile that you turn into page. So I will advise everyone watching this video, if you are living in a country that is not eligible, take for example like Nigeria, it is better for you to open a fresh page. All right, open a fresh page. So don't worry about growing the page, because I know a lot of people, their fear is, if I open a fresh page today, how will I grow the page? How will I get follower? Leave all those ones. Don't think about those ones. We will get to that. All right, we'll get to that. All right. So now, if you have an admin in a country that is eligible, the admin can apply for monetization. Okay, you can apply for monetization. Now, you have admin with a full control, and you also have admin that does not have a full control. Okay, so now, for you to be able to monetize that page, you need admin that will have a full control over your page. Okay, so what does it mean for you to have, does it mean to have an admin that have full control over your page? Admin that have full control over your page is more or less a co-owner of that page. Okay, so Facebook will see that admin as a co-owner to that page. Okay, so that is it. Open a fresh page. We will know how to deal with every other issues that come with it. Okay, so don't forget, guys, I promise you guys, and I will keep on giving you people all these tips apart from the normal helps that I'm doing. So I will continue to teach you people how you can create all these things, including YouTube. So long you stick to this channel, you will learn a lot. Okay, you will learn a lot. So don't forget, if you are operating on your normal profile that you want, the one you turn to page, go and create a normal Facebook page if you are living in a country that is not eligible. But if you live in a country that is eligible, good for you. Okay, there's no problem about that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you are following this channel so that we all can rise together. Okay, thank you very much. I love you all.